Welcome to Why Should Watch. Dark Season 3 was released just a day ago and it surpassed all the expectations and has redefined the sci-fi genre, especially for TV shows. Let's begin the breakdown of Dark Season 3. Normally, whenever a TV show gets too hyped, the final season turns out to be an epic garbage. Because of which I keep my expectations to a limit these days because of all the social justice going on. But it was a German show, so I wasn't worried that much about politics. The case was, even though Dark Season 3 was getting so much attention, I wanted to stay in check so I won't be disappointed if something utterly shit happens. So Dark Season 3 is here and my reaction was,
Here it comes!
So when the season 2 ended and they introduced a new world, and because of that I had some mixed reactions about the show. As I did a recap on first 2 seasons, it wasn't as easy because time traveling shows are never easy to understand. Because of all the timelines, especially this show was too complicated to begin with, and when they introduced a new world I was skeptical because they were going to wrap all this in just one season. I was afraid that they are just making things up as they go and just wanted a cliffhanger for the season 2. But thankfully that was not the case and all 3 seasons are connected to each other in a neat and tight bow. So they actually prepared what they wanted from the show and they started the production. In season 3 the new world is there, but they didn't left the old one, but actually both stories were running at the same time and it was clear which story is from which world thanks to editing and the great screenplay that we didn't get too much confused. So I can imagine when the show writers must be sitting around a table and discussing the ideas of the show. So they must be seeing that we have seen a lot of things, how can they stand out? Then they must have decided, let's get the families kill each other where you don't know who's killing who, daughter killing her mother who was actually the daughter, the present self killing the future self, and so on and so on. So at the end they decided, let's just mess with the audience's brain. The main thing about the show I liked was that we were interacting with the show and decoding the story in our brains. So in season 3 there is a huge twist and I'm not going to spoil that. They introduced a new concept after mid-season. So I was like, there we go again, they're gonna ruin it with too much technical mumbo jumbo. But I was proven wrong, as when they ended the show it was in so simple terms, although a bit sad. So be prepared. Ending was hinted throughout the show but no one actually noticed until the end. Then we were like, oh, that was so obvious. But it actually wasn't. So the show was a bit complicated that you had to pause and make sense in your mind that what just happened. Then tune in again, but it was worth it. Because it wasn't a love story and it was at the same time, which I loved every second of it. The graphics were amazing and the colors of the show was realistic. Characters were relatable and overall a great show which is gonna go down in history, one of the greatest sci-fi shows along with Battlestar Galactica. So there isn't much to complain about the show, only that it could be a little too complicated to understand for some people, but we can live with that as they tried to bring authenticity to the show. But the ending was on a simple tone so everyone can enjoy it. So go and watch the show, start from the beginning if you can, or watch a recap that I made to refresh your memory. Like the video, comment and subscribe.